kere ndio onyaruka kukunyora chingaki abikibi ase umtandao Getembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security, pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Tariki na mirongo ebere na isano na isatu mutinyi n'umutangani umwakano y'ubukirwera mirongo ebere na itano nomo mwachomo ligerinde no kwegena mbiyole andonsi asole na kukwanire nabayo kwaligani kwanyora mangana mayaye kyonga chinsenye cya bono butuko leterana isira sinyakunde asense meli menyerero nero Wilson makoli nagosabire toskali. Uchaka hikiunga chinsenye nige skuru ya banyaruka ya magina himeye bunge yabo machoge burabu he county ya Kisii nigo yabetege kubatu muriro butuko bugukira rero na gutigera umorokigo yo muchingoma asagende tekanyoro bwenia senya gitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral wateni bechi semi nigo bagendete kugikelia bikorobyo ebyarakanire komentekano muno asama tukabongoiga Eskuru yiga nikeri ya gatatu kubwatu muriro magega yeskuru ya bamura ya magina amoneli ya nyakeiri asbono watani bechi semi batebiruna bikoro byenigo bigwendete gotigwa limolioka
Marieta ankoro kwa Nastansha Nyanjera seitera ari kyombu umwana one nwagosoma magera agaiga ari form 4 ugurugudoro timura eyarenge sene cyabo tukakana akore gasiane ngakirwe siminga magina yayire ngariyo muntu gwe pikipiki yakande tabaka kingo ikankanyora baikire kolimi lakini abasigari barenga na bagambi bagatoseri bagateba togenda lakini abana baitomba umiete tukaenda bakakwende osongo tukachikora abana level 6 tukachikora umwana oyiye tole ngororo lakini ntwege tikomorora bagatotoche ga saa 2 cheke mambi twachire ga saa 2 cheke mambi nande batosiekerete nisiko tore sisoje chigase ne bato iboko nganto chikorora abana bone tore no mukumi omonene tokoboria abagambi baito simba arati omugambi tukitwa kwato bugamba mune gavana gagyo tar wancho ichenyo gotegete tamu ya kabererende oicho toriye skuru ya magena oto fence libuya asa abana chinyaruka baito tokoreta twabeka na twaba comfort pastor nga abana ne skuru bale omugambi tororanga mabere kyare tukite chigase no torega
Nchasa Marieta Shemonderi omwana one gare skulu ya magena oikire form 3 report ya karego tochera magoro bantu anyorete gisimi togachicha lakini atwera netigunga tochera ro mambia obane bwa mangana twachire rero lakini morembe ntori koegwa twaigura abana baito omoro no bwatete school baumire ntoraro abana baito nga moyo bare gose mbakure ngosa baiga oboteneneri bwe school tobuororo ka moiberi obuororo aroro omwana oye amanyenga moyo are gose muna bono mubwe kanonda abori ngonko gendanka ntamayeti omwana one gose moyo are gose gakwete ngio moiberi mwalimu we school anchoto buororobe oto abana baito to barigere tomanya gose mbu yabare
bono tolero igoro bono ntomanyeti nanyamba niganga ingi abana baito banyore twamanyire kanyara ngi school ya Sambiru bono gakitogo sabanga umurai oyo igotenerete school ne border committee akimutorangeri tomanya muchandora ase school
Musubati yomo hasilita Janet Barongo korwa se wodi ya bwogia ko mwebonge ya bonchali kaunti ya Kisii nigasire chobugema wa yasomo baskana sebono homo beroye okwamira senkendu asiamate yeganire piri ye milioni ya mochinu gutenye elio konyora libaga lio komwenya iko basabira barayigo konye amate yo komwenya omwanchogo muri kito tibon asanya orobotirwa senchira yo bwikira
ebirere biga nebyamate korwa asenka yomugaka mwamarasa ebigotoka ewodi ya Bugiakumu ebunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii asitokomerana ne amate yomugaka Jonathan Ondieki oywe omonginoye asirita Janet Barongo abeteka kubwatirani wanu basukano bwepara chinga kiarenge wechandira amate yae asokonyorengeria ya kiralituko chitarike 22 omutinyo 12 omwakoera
Zamalieta nenko bujonya manya ngebo omwana oyo sirete muka omulone omwana oli akora ile bituma bya paroni ne kabichi chinyeni omwana omwana we bibi yaje kamwako omwana oyo akabomo tukamwirene nyagitari gose nakorenge tukamwiki chenero bagatukani bagabatega abantu nabange mbosongo murakonyekere
Hese muyende nigo batemete mune amate asokurwanire obogima bwaye kumumyoke nyagitari kurende nigo yaigete omoelio ase abeteka gusio obogima
Nchasa Marieta nkoro ku Jonathan Ondieki agendete konyora oborwari obo yabete pati mbaya chitariki chiarenge 19 chisaisa nemo umusubati one okonyara kobogosira
Maga yugo sirio bogima bwaye egekagyo kubekwa ICU nigo bono omubire o Janet obegetwa senkendu eye moime yo muchibosongo sebono baganirie wakanibiria nyagitari jisiringi milioni ye mo nukta inye egento bono batebire nigo kyababerire gurube nene batanyare mune family
asenke yega epiri yachire igoro ekiagara renge korwanirwo sina konyo bugima bwaye lakini tianyarika yasaka nyarga komoya onyarika gotiga abana bake mwana monene grade 4 umwana mokorenge kogonga tokogora mabere bonega akonya konyuka iganka
twikiro moiso ndokonyara kolesi 1.4 million familia itonigere ntakamono
nonyana bo kubwatekana no bure mirwo bonene bure asenkeyo nigo emirobire yoko eni wakwaye umusubati Janet Barongo etaraikirana goikabono
timbu atikende igontikalete na abana batatu abana abo igo bagendrete kunyara ko bakabona mayanda manene
setoga igo mochango nkobega tole para gose bari bakonyobo konkobe kubale kibesa turasoki ochinyinge pineru busarasini gose rubarwaini tuachire kona twetobe ko mochango into okonyaka
ogosemere kwabo guchesa baraibe county ya Kisii bakoragwa n'umugabana Paul Simbarati umugwimenere Doris Aburi nabo igo omubunge omonchari Charles Onchuke bakubwatarana no MCA bworgongorwe nigo barachikoire getambokero kyogosira amateyo kubwatakana nige gurube egendete komenteka chingaki agenderete gutigara asenkendo
gaki twasabire omwongo twasabire Onchuke twasabire Simbarati gaki mwana nge wacha motokonye gaki twachandikira senkeye
abantu bonsi asegusiya ito yabeta gaki motokonye siringi 10 siringi 20 muno kokunwa kwa ora kunwe eligera tonyara ko batokurusi mumino alia
kuripotiri kataseni kia gatembe kuroga se wodi ya Bugiakumu ebunga ya Bonchari e county ya Kisii eliane nkoro kwa Dipon asanya
Gamuno mori kito Diboni asanya asoro botiuro mora igoso munyakerogo gwekiamu gya Jubilee horosagirwa gusiye county ya Kisii bitakanga niga tebirona Ekero United Opposition yariganetie goichi goikagusiyo mutinyu muya ogusini go baburiwe kwarigani nabo igo korokya maskani nabo igo bekubeko murembe hime ya gusi aganga nabo igo niga sabira bagusi kweli kya sobunge helikururibaga elio kwene kibuna matiangi onyorire chikura asobunge
nje gongoro kunga Peter Kanga and nigonde chairman ye kiama ya Jubilee as a county to ya Kisii abagusiba minto naroranga mwabeira abantu mwamanyire siasa buya mwamanyire obuya bwobugambi na narorenga mwachira ange mutagete kubwaterana amo egere tonyare kubeka obwana minto yosokiro politike rego kyubo obu president wa Kenya yukoro kunga Fred Okengo Matiang'i tosoe epasie yemo ekoroko Jubilee egere tonyare gutare sabari yitwense toramo no mugusi mwamugusi no muntu mungaini omuntu manyire kabo muntu kwerigeria nya kwerigeria na ndoro mungaini bano chiro beiro mungaini politically pakwanjira ni Kenya ngima ngana bako ga so aseninjo yaigo gona te birente te kosorora ba minto bali mo so ete bigari bibike binyombe bibike mocha motoba moto so nyumba ya Jubilee toso basi ya Jubilee togende sabari yemo to beke president ye to state house ye korkunga Fred Okengo Matiang'i na ndinde bwango iga ntutware abageni barato tarere gocha Kisii mbatagete korora tubwata masikani ya manene buno mu Kisii amasikani yali ama mu Kisii tokorkunga masikani yali abakoro tutabwati kunya kominyokani konde tutabwati kuramana tutabwati gusubumana tutagete kokoro kia masikani pakabanda abandi bagro chinse mu chinde buna bukoyo bukamba buruya koru Mombasa koru Kerase koru Mansa wonsi mbatagete gocha gutukwania banyo alenga atogo kwane lugeyemo tubwata masikani nturi kurwana nturi gusubumana nturi kuramana egera tokole na baruka bakogenda na masikani ya manene ande bale ngo mugusi kweli na baisa inekero ke gakubori kya Kenya abarayi abamora obisi abande na bali batali obisi bali barochenga ingitokoligia basaiti gokonya abantu baito kweregister chikura esa bali yonse togoteba tokogenda igirabe iranyari kada ekaratura toke tobwate chikura chisaine abagusi n'abantu abange abagusi gotore Kerase lakini abange baito ntobwate chikura ntoregese chikura bona ari gusaba barayi baito na mwamugusiyo monyene na yese kwabeta oni kuruji ngatora register kura koranje koromu kyo nga nayo gende ase ebituo biri byo kuregister kura ekura yawo akito kabeka ase tutanye kunyaka bono injuba akekura koranje nonya kumenyete ngumuntu minu narura asigete eruta maitu gusendi agete kura lyo mwali era undi yetu taite wakachikura tuanse pibuno mugusi
asengenjo yobo choli gosotugwata omwana itokuru kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i oibono tumurekerete taya astogo cha kwambuka gochikanani kero mware chesligo ntomo echinkuru nonyene rekera gochikana semesa uchikwamana bali bande bonsi kiagara no mumenyetenga ugambi obo ndoko nyari gisa kweke morasma tubwateranie chikabire chinde egere tunyare okoreki tunyare konyoro ubwiko ndorwo otebanga egari yao akagari kao saga pikipiki kao nakabe kamuranje mbiya toro kia masikani to kinga mwenye getinge igare epasi imeyemo ekuru kujubili elindi elinonye noyo ogochi goto ambokia gochikanani umo president ito gochi komo 27 nge nande onare gosaba tolerance amasikani no tolereru engaki umutinyo ko mutwe United Opposition nechigo chichagusi etarere Nyamira ya ito etarere Kisi echekoranga ngakitwe yali ganiri engakire tocha kokorwe nyangi into n'abanyanyangi kamoranche onare gusaba abana inje barino nimba etenga inabantu abayamuhanje tabageni nende mwanje to mwaino ito korokwanga Fredo Kimatengi bagakubodiye birobyo chito bauti korubo MCA MP obunanwe ko senator no gabana igota etamasikani Ardari ororo oja kuyoneria utagete kolete saga abana inji already bahamwire ningo bagocha gochora uno MCA usomo MP usase senator so igota korona discipline ikiranete enga kitocho ko receive abanya ni koru Kenya itengema ase jama ya Jubilee.
Gavana we kaunti ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati igabeiro yo wango iga kwarigani muraiben so Muske William Ruto habwankyo asetare asegeti kiagusi stadium asoko gandelio murobili onyota ukwane maragoba ya lero chinga kiatalire nsemeyo likorigereria na korate igoro ya marigani yo harati niga tebabuna abasaiwetani nkiri gwisano na ibere nigo barachie konyeka kurwa somurobili yo asaba sai kurwa sichi kaunti ya Kisii Migori na Nyamira barachie gwikirana
kalegaiga gocha samangana nyota program ase abasaya baito miaka 19 mpaka 25 na 29 aswaja kwa uchibes cho wansire biashara kire ward nebwate abasaya 85 igogusiyoka nekiri wisatu na 500 abantu aba baje kwa umambia shilingi 25,000 kiroyomo nabo igo ine fesi ntanga ne fesi ya kabire 25,000 igo 50,000 banse okore biashara kibesechi nkonyara bali ko bundiso ngakiba gukora ngakiba konyara okore biashara na kirocho igo dada ngaki abayibuli bana bali baje kwa ukibesechi abasani na amogocha na inmobe keroli ngabayiru kibesa mbabasa kwa ukibesa banse kunyura amarwe mambyaye osina ende kero bayiru kibesechi umuntu arengenge kiako akorosi umukungu kabiri kibesechi neje biashara igo Mr President tokumukaribisha Kisii like another part of the country is the president of the country karibu torolenga kito konya abantu baito ese kibesa kiri eserikali kuru kibesechi neje serikali ya Kenya na World Bank na chichi koinan igo mambia abantu balegaiga Kisii County Nyamira na Homa Bay ebichana bire 7,000 na bawacha kwegwa kibesechi umura iwense ndo expected mambia lazima kwa ndregetieke ikiana tebeto aina de milioni 500 chokoro segetieke digo ndo expected nga mambia na kwa ndrego regetieke sechi milioni 500 arule na daraja mbili 900 million daraja mo nini Nyambera na Chiroro na rolire egasi yansire contract na Iroro 350 million chipara chanyanchwaga nchaba advertised attend I think inko igurwere anata 400 million nto expecting akina na kwa ndirigo re flyover na mo wallet igo close to chibillion very nenu soiga mambinto expect ya confirm nango chiango to ale gasi itangane gasi ra kolekana amangana siasa ba.
Waziri wechisemi Julius Migosu gamba nigateru bune serikali nigendete kubeka umukiango kwene kibunango tinyero bukarari we sekta yechisemi haigeme yense bunechirejemo yo guikirania agenda ya bottom up heyera maganio ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ukwana chinga kikirana wesubu musangirekano bajumbe asensemo ya Naivasha imeye kaunti ya Nakuru hogamba nigene kibuna serikali gwitirase gwizare yo nigegendete kweneki kiromoro kyo bwegereria kianda kwasware giridi yeikomi mochandondo wensio taiyo
of rationalization of these teachers in schools, where some teachers are more in schools and other schools do not have teachers. This is the exercise that we indicated that we would be working with TSC to ensure that there is a redistribution of the teachers to the schools that do not have enough teachers of various subjects, so that we do not disadvantage any of our learners. The ministry has not effected the implementation of those projects because the resources have not been received. It is a funding challenge. Once the resources are received, we will be able to. We are gazetting that irregularity that the Gazette is coming on Friday, showing what the parents are supposed to pay and not pay. And after that, our officers in the field will fully implement. I am aware that there is a SEQUIP program that was done that was not properly conducted or implemented, and I know that there is an audit that is going on at the moment to be able to inform the decision that will be made on actions that will be taken on those incomplete projects. So once the report of the audit is completed, we will take the necessary. We have indicated that the teachers are not supposed to be selling uniforms in school. They should allow parents to buy uniforms from wherever they find the uniforms to be cheaper. But as I said, it's a conversation that we have to make sure that we come up with a lasting solution to the menace that has been brought about by teachers sending away students because of uniforms, including the case that you mentioned, which I wasn't aware of, that they stayed for 2 days in the benches, but we'll get a report on it and take action against that principle. Teachers did indicate how many students they will be receiving, and they indicated the capacity of those institutions. So the students were allocated to those schools based on the capacity of those schools. And as I indicated earlier, students were allowed to select the schools of their choice to which they were going. So that once we do the exit report, after we complete the exercise this Friday, then we will have conversations on what we are going to do about the schools that did not receive any students, and the rationalization and reallocation of the teachers and other resources and infrastructure that would be in those institutions. So we'll rationalize that to ensure that even these schools that received more of the students than what they normally do is because they had an extra classroom arising out of the fact that we did not have Form 2s currently. Now, the capitation that we release is based on the data that we receive from the schools, and there's no discrepancy between the number of the students that we are sending textbooks to that of capitation. The number is aligned because we receive that from the schools.
Na sorbo rumo nchumo ligerelia tiatenyo mutimo komo ketu koirana tugende ni kiongasi nchira yubuikira.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye buna mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tugukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito boigo share n'abasani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyariko bagokoyanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Karibu naende omwancho murigereria okonyi bumurabi kyama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigene kiribuna homomo gukomereria serikali nikobora chikogendera kubwaterana nekiombe kyobacholi nechimbebe IBC gukwana magega yo gutarira chiabisi kiombe kyo Matiang'i nigatebuna wekiria magani abo bosubi kiombe kyo na koro kyo gosemere buna ngechigo kolera emeremo ya senchira irendonge.
I think of great significance, which we need to emphasize, is this: whatever this, we had misgivings about, the process that brought this commission on board and so on. But through this, we've had a cordial conversation, and they are public servants. In my own honest view, I've observed that there's a very serious sense of responsibility on a good number of them. And for the first time, we have agreed today, there are several lawyers who are here, we have institutionalized our interaction with them. We have agreed that we will set up a technical team on behalf of the United Opposition, and they will also appoint a technical team so that they can go through all those issues that we raised, blow by blow, and we will have another meeting to go through these issues. As long as a public and constitutional institution like this one is ready, willing, and available to engage, and as Kenyan leaders, because we are interested in the stability of the country, we are interested in the future of the country, and they are willing to engage us as we go forward. One of us said something very critical, which I need to emphasize here, that as long as they demonstrate and continue to show good faith as we move forward, we will continue to work with them, because this is important for us, important for the country, and ultimately important for the stability. There isn't an issue we did not raise, and I know because we are all pressed for time, there is no need to run down the list. Our technical team is going to produce a document, Wakili Ndewa and Jeru is here and many others, which will be shared out with the press, because we are dealing with public issues. These are not private matters. That document will be available and will avail it to the public of all the issues that we raised: procurement, security, management of the by-elections, the ecosystem within which we are now preparing for elections. And they have promised us also that they are preparing a national conference on elections 2027. And we said, fair enough, if they're going to be open and engage clearly on these issues, we also have a citizenship responsibility. We are pointing out these issues, but we have a citizenship responsibility to do our bit to ensure that we contribute and work with them to deliver a credible election and an election that will guarantee our country's stability, because that is what we are looking forward to. I think that's all we can say at the moment, unless my colleague
Warai bensemili kwa milio serikali nigo batebire buna bagandete kubaterana so wamo buna nchire ya moyo kwene kibuna mbachiko iroborai aso bacholyo bonene umwaka wachiri ubere meronge bere ne tano ne bere asabara kigosira oyuro rachie koirurukia ebendera ukwana aso musangirikano bwekyama gia DP asamagacho au fungamano imeye kaunti ya Nairobi nigo bagikeribororo kusaganwa ko yorengo mokonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua ase kanisa heye moime ya udaya e county ya Nyeri.
The people of Kenya are telling me, and I believe they are telling all of you, they don't know who will be president, but they know who will not be. Watu wa Kenya wameamua ni nani hata kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Hawajui ni nani. Wametuambia sisi yote tutoe mtu hapo ndio mnataka hata nyinyi. I want to give my commitment and that of DCP that we shall make whatever sacrifices necessary to have one presidential candidate to make William Ruto one term.
What happened in Othaya over the weekend is domestic terrorism, and we are taking legal action to do private prosecution of those individuals who have been identified as perpetrators, because we realize if we don't, Kasongo will continue to take this country for granted.
We are in the united opposition because we all agree to the one-term movement to remove the pain of Kasongo, which is on every household. Na tumesema lazima tujipende kama wa Kenya. We must agree to one candidate for the presidential and all other consequential seats, ndivyo tuondoe hii serikali ya uongo, ya Kasongo na uongo.
I belong to the united opposition, full stop, there's no comma. Number two, this is where the country is headed to. If you're not here, lako halipo. Number three, we have a problem in this country. If the government of the day that is so confident of winning an election can actually say, Honorable Rigiji has grenades, AK-47, Kenyans must start getting worried, because then Rigiji could be stronger than the government of the day. Today's newspaper, 11 billion has been wasted through Shah-Shiv-Shi. And Parliament, being an appendage of the State House, they cannot summon the organs to account for it. We must finalize this, and the solution to Kenya is this.
Waziri wa Bochano Aden Duale nigo hene kiribuna wizara iyo negendete kwene kibuna kero mwananchi konyorare hobugwenia gwitira somoroberio osha dwaro yokwana chingigikira na bosibwa bajumbe asense moya Naivasha imeye county ya Nakuru nigene kibuna koruasha hechakiwa nigemenganyo bakurumiya siekirwe korenganirwa n'umuroberio mukoro ONJF asubona rukuburia ucha saba nanchi kogendera kwelikia aso muroberio yo.
The journey to transform Kenya's health care system has been long and tedious, but it's a journey we have walked together. This house has been the bedrock of that transformation. Without your legislative wisdom, your oversight, and your bipartisan support, the milestone we celebrate today could remain mere aspiration. And for that, Honorable Speaker, I want to say asanteni sana, and we are happy that you stood with us. Honorable members, our mandate basically is anchored in the better agenda, the bottom-up economic transformation. When this administration took office, we made a very solemn vow that healthcare will no longer be a privilege for the few who can afford it, but a constitutional right for every Kenyan, as it is enshrined in Article 43. Health is not just a social service, it is a key economic pillar. And I say that with conviction that a healthy nation is a productive nation. We committed to shifting the paradigm shift from curative to preventive care and from catastrophic out-of-pocket expenditure to social insurance model that leaves no one behind. To realize this, Honorable Speaker, this House undertook a historic legislative marathon. You debated, you refined, and you enacted 4 crucial laws that now form the legal spine of our healthcare system. And that is the Social Health Insurance Act of 2023 that established SHA and replaced NHIF, the Digital Health Act of 2023 that created the Digital Super Highway for Health Data, and the Primary Health Care Act of 2023 that operationalized the hub and the spoke model and the community health promoters. And finally, more importantly, the Facility Improvement Financing Act of 2023 that ensured funds raised in hospitals stay in hospitals. Prior to these reforms of this administration, our systems was ailing. We had a very fragmented financing model where NHIF paid out more in fraudulent claims than it collected in legitimate premiums. We had no visibility of the patient data. We had no visibility of the patient records, and patient records were paper-based. Making portability was impossible.
Na gwikiraga bo mwancho murigereria no koja kurira mwana mayaye kionga chinsenye chabo no butiko riterane Cyrus Nyakundi asensemeri ibimanyirurio ni garenge Wilson Makori na gusabira twaruburigereria na baigo butiko burubuya.
Esukuri ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and